Here we have a 2017 Chevrolet Spark LT. Comes with a 1.4-liter four-cylinder engine, automatic transmission in a black color. Let's take a look inside. Coming inside, power locks, windows and mirrors, armrests, black leather upholstery all throughout. An armrest for the driver there. Let's hop on inside. Air vent on the left, got your traction control system, lane keep assist, auto headlights, fog lights, digital cluster dimming controls, cruise control functions. Got your Bluetooth controls, rain wiper controls for the front and the rear. Coming to the infotainment, go to our audio here. Source list. Got AM, FM, Sirius XM, USB, Bluetooth, and auxiliary inputs. Go and pick your phone. Do so via this screen here. Your projection for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, OnStar services, settings, time of day, language, radio, vehicle. Got your collision detection, which is just your rear park assist. Comfort, convenience, lighting, power door locks, remote lock, unlock, start. Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all that kind of good stuff. Your volume rocker, air vents, hazard lights, climate control functions, your fan controls, front and rear defrost, USB, auxiliary 12 volt, backup camera with that rear park sense audio, heated seats for the driver and passenger, manual park brake, power tilt side sunroof, got your interior lighting options, sunroof controls, and your OnStar services with a rear view mirror. Let's go take a look outside. Here at the front, got our headlights, black chrome finish grille, Chevrolet badge in the middle, got your alloy rim, paint matching mirrors, chrome color door handles, keyless entry feature, Spark and your LT badges here in the rear parking sensors. Open up the trunk, 60/40 split for the rear seats and a cargo cover. Some of the back seats have a nice armrest, power windows, tons of legroom and headroom, that same leather upholsteries we have in the front. Also got a cup holder there in the middle. Let's head back outside. That'll wrap it up with 2017 Chevrolet Spark LT in a black color. If you have any questions or want to book test drive, please visit us at parkmazda.ca.